बनने के बजाय कुछ करने के सपने देखने चाहिए। मैं टास्क मास्टर तो हूँ, मैं काम खुद भी बहुत करता हूँ और काम खूब लेता भी हूँ और समय पे काम हो इसका आग्रही भी हूँ।
This was Prime Minister Narendra Modi's day out with children on the occasion of Teachers' Day last year. Students from across the country will once again have their special moments on Teachers' Day when they will get to interact with none other than Prime Minister Narendra Modi, sharing his thoughts and views on many issues. Come Friday, and Prime Minister Narendra Modi would be interacting with more than 600 students at the Manekshaw Auditorium in the capital. Whereas he may be speaking in Delhi, he will also connect with many students outside national capital through satellite link. PM will interact with students from Nizamabad, Tirunelveli, Patna, Panaji, Senapati, Bokaro, Kulgam, Dehradun and Bengaluru. The event would be broadcast live by Doordarshan and All India Radio. The participating schools have made elaborate arrangements for the interaction with Prime Minister Modi.
ये अपने आप में एक अनोखी पहल थी जो पिछले साल शुरू हुई। कुछ अध्यापकों ने कहा भाई हमसे भी चर्चा होनी चाहिए, बच्चों से ही चर्चा क्यों? लेकिन बच्चे ही सबसे बेहतरीन रिफ्लेक्शन है टीचर की कैपेसिटी का। और हमारा ये प्रयास है कि जो आज छात्र हैं वो कल शिक्षक बने।
PM Modi's address to students on Teachers' Day last year was beamed live in over 18 lakh government and private schools in the country, with 1,000 students present at the venue. The Prime Minister touched upon a number of issues and patiently responded to the queries of young minds. The spirited young minds asked a number of questions ranging from girl education, skill development, hygiene, education reforms to climate change. This would be the second time that the children will have an opportunity to interact with the Prime Minister of the country on Teachers' Day, a moment which is sure to remain with them for many years to come. With Neeraj Singh, Nishant Saurabh's report, DD News.